Grand Rising. Welcome to the channel Excellence, where we strive for excellence. We strive to be one better than what we were yesterday. This video is for the Buckles family. Again, a crisis has came in our life again, and we must have a clear conception of the work that we are called to do. The spirit of man always goes on. Man is not the body nor the soul. He's the spirit. And the spirit lives on. Death is just a cutting of the cord that the spirit may sail on to smoother seas. It goes to higher dimensions. Now let's have a clear conception of the work that we are called to do. Collectively and selectively, thoughts are gathered. Thoughts are only developed by the exercise of strength, the collective thoughts. When you collect thoughts together, you create certain conditions. That's why it's very important to keep your thoughts positive. See, let your positive thoughts outweigh your negative thoughts. You have a choice in life to choose from good or evil. We all know that. We all know that. We know there's a judgment day coming. That judgment day is when they weighing your good from your evil. And it's your thinking, your reasoning, your willing, and your understanding must be within the bounds of moderation. See, a lot of times we think evil thoughts and demonic things about people that are really trying to help us grow. We are here to aid and assist one another. We are here to work together. God put us on this earth as a family. So family means follow me, whoever has the best ideals, whoever have the greatness in them. When you see children born with gifts, you aid and assist them. Stop tearing their hearts up. Too many children have been beat, battered, and broken by their own parents, telling them that they can't do this and they can't do that because their parents don't want to see them succeed further than them. A lot of marks have been put on us by our parents from birth and from family members. How can you point a child in a direction of badness? You constantly say from the time that he's born that you're bad, you're bad, you're bad. And all you see is bad, even in the good that they do. See, you must wake up and live according to the instructions of the universe. Universal law governs all events. It say, ask and you shall receive. Seek and you shall find. Everyone should be seeking how to love instead of hate. Unconditional love. Because unconditional love is the only key that will open the door to eternal life and eternal happiness. Now, let's use this in the science of the universe. Collectively and selectively, if the world came to terms of thinking for eternal life and eternal happiness, the goal could be reached. See, man has unlimited capacity for improvement. Since I was born, the only thing that I seen great in this life worth seeking for was eternal life. That's the greatest gift of all. There are millions and gazillions of people that have passed through these different time zones and dimensions seeking trinkets, shiny things, money, the body of desire. Raise your thoughts. Store your treasures in heaven. All the gold and all the money that you achieve in this plane of things made manifest on this life, you cannot take it with you. Can somebody tell me how much money Michael Jackson is worth right now? How much money does Prince have right now? How much money do a lot of the greats have that has passed away? See, it's not about money. It's about the legacies they left. See, it's not about the money that Kobe Bryant had. It's about the great works that he was able to do. The great Mamba. See, because he was diligent in his works. He knew in order for him to be great that he had to continue and continue and continue to strive and not let no one get into his head and no one outwork him. See, when you let people get into your head, you'll become a bobblehead. Don't go through life to reach death safely. Take life's journey. Take that leap of faith. Go where no man has gone and leave a trail. Leave your legacy. Uncle Mike left a legacy. Great man of great works. Beautiful children, beautiful grandchildren. A beautiful family. A man whose life was tried and it was true. And it was not called until all of his life works was done. So now may he rest in heaven and live through us. I come to y'all in love. I leave y'all in peace. These tears are tears of joy, not of sadness.